All right, eating contest.
Put on.
Go.
Are you
Five
Yeah.
flowers.
Go, 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 go. Eating contest. Turn on the light. It's so dark.
Light.
Oh.
Look at the camera. Look at the camera.
Look at the camera, guys.
Look at the camera.
On my fucking cake, Dion.
Trash talking.
I gotta say. Come on, let's do it.
I'm gonna kill you.
Wow. Who's losing? Now you have to eat the flower.
Dude, get in the picture. Or in the background.
Join them.
Maybe you want to quit right now and start with the flowers.
Yo, Anna's gonna own you.
Kick their face.
Oh, wow.
Start with the flowers.
I'm done. I can't breathe.
Are you okay?
I think he's dying.
Wow. Monster.
Look at him. Look at him. Eat one flower and you win.
Okay, one
You want
minute break
flowers?
and then round two, alright?
Flowers now.
You win. Stop eating.
Are you okay? Do you need water? I ate 2 cake and you can't even swallow 1.
Wow.
You want another?
I have to. Yeah! Faster, but you kept making me laugh. Anna won. So what does the food have to do?
Eat the...
He has to eat these.
So it was so hard. I had one. I'm like crack.
Oh well, he's going to the dentist.
I can swallow one without biting it.
Ew.
You can swallow anything.
Do you need water?
Do you need water? No? Okay. Phuong, go get down. Eat these. You gotta eat these.
Hell no.
Hell yes.
Those are the most distressing flowers ever.
Just swallow it, don't bite it.
Put it all in your mouth.
But you lost.
Just put it all in your mouth.
Is there like icing on my face? There's a spoon put on my
Yeah, like right here.
Don't get close up.
Turn off.
Come on, who can finish the last
Oh, that
one?
was in low quality as well.
Phuong, last 2, come on.
We'll have to do something.
You have to eat one more.
Fine, I'll strip for Derek.
Do it. Ow! Do it.
My
Anyway,
free dad.
Come on, at least take off your shirt.
Shake it, yo. Shake it. Shake your bonbon.
Yo, get ready for your left hand. Do it. Get ready.
Oh my god.
2 flowers.
Hell no.
Okay,
Give me my left hand.
I'm not taping no more, so everyone say bye.
Bye. Happy birthday.
Bye.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Bye. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Derek. Zoning out.